In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill out a PDF form on your Mac using the built-in Preview app. Here I have a sample PDF file. Just right-click on it, go to Open With, and select Preview. In this form, you'll see the fields where you can type. For example, I'll enter the name John Smith. For the checkboxes, just click to select them. Now, besides typing into the preset form fields, you can also use the markup tools in Preview. Just click the little pen icon on the toolbar. Here, you have a set of tools to add data to the PDF. For instance, if you choose the text tool, you can type anywhere and move it around. Or you can insert a signature. If you don't know how to create a signature on Mac yet, check out my previous video on that. Once you're done filling it out, go to the File menu and choose Save, or just hit Command-S to save it. When you close the app and reopen it, the PDF will keep all the values you entered. Now you can send this file to your client or partner. But what if you want to start over? Open the file in Preview again. Go to File, select Revert to, and click Browse All Versions. Now you can use the arrow keys to find the version you want to restore. Click the Restore button to go back to that previous version, then hit Command-S to save again. And just like that, the PDF is back to the version you selected. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.